Hello there, it's Anna. This is Home Culture and I need a gift for a little girl who's turning 1. I love reading and I know how fun and important reading is to the development of children. So along with giving books, I want to make a cute little mini book bin. I picked up this little crate from Michael's. The dimensions are 5.5 by 7.25 by 8 inches, which is roughly 14 by 18 by 20 centimeters. I want to personalize the book bin, but not by stenciling or sticking on vinyl. I want to iron on heat transfer vinyl onto wood. Now this is a project I've never done on this channel. And speaking of channel, over 75% of you watching this aren't subscribed to our channel. And all you have to do is click this button right down here. And it makes a huge impact to our channel and us as content creators. Your support of any content creator by liking, commenting, and subscribing is what makes this all possible here on Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform. Thanks. My first step is sanding. I don't want anyone, especially a 1-year-old, getting a splinter. This wood is pretty soft, so it sands easily. I had to be really careful with the Orville sander on the corners and edges because it would chew right through the wood if I used just a little too much pressure. Once sanding was done, I tidied up and gave myself a fresh, clean area to work. Because this is a mini crate, I think stain will look more appropriate than paint. I'm using Flagstone by Varathane. It's a mid-tone that looks more modern than honey oak. Because I wanted a light finish, I worked in small batches and wiped off the stain sooner than the recommended 3 to 5 minutes. It turned out exactly as I was hoping. Using my Cricut, I cut out personalized text. Because I'm using HTV, I selected the mirror on option, cut with the iron on transfer setting, and placed my vinyl shiny side down on the mat. Then the Cricut did the real work. The stain has dried overnight, and we're ready to iron on to wood. The supplies you need are really basic. You need an iron, parchment paper, your cutout image, and your project piece. Now my iron, I have it set a little bit cooler than when I'm ironing onto fabric. Usually I have it between cotton and linen. Now I have it just below cotton going towards wool. So just a little bit cooler than I normally use. And you still want no steam, so I've emptied it of water. For the transfer, you follow pretty much the same process as you normally do for fabric. Heat the surface. I don't want to put my iron directly on the wood, so I'm using the parchment paper as a buffer. Heat for about 5 seconds. Align your image and cover it with the transfer paper. Place the iron on the parchment paper and press down with medium firm pressure for 15 seconds. Don't jiggle the iron because you could smudge the image. I have done that. Just press down. Peel back the clear transfer sheet. If you notice any part of your image lifting, put the iron back on for 5 seconds. I like to go over the entire image one last time with the transfer paper removed, just for a few seconds. This is HTV on wood. It looks like paint with perfectly crisp edges, no smudges. The image has cooled, and my last step is to seal the wood with wax. At first, the idea of applying HTV to wood seemed daunting to me. I thought it was going to be a much more complicated process. But in reality, it's the same as working with fabric. The results look really good. This looks professionally done. All that's left for me to do is go buy some books. I picked up some books and I'm ready to wrap up both this gift and this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment because it makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Little girl, what's with the frog all of a sudden? Froggy voice, gosh. Lack of coffee, you know that? But don't worry, Rolf will be home soon and we shall have coffee together. Maybe tea. Coffee? Maybe I'll make a smoothie. Okay, anyways, that's because of the frog. Frogs are cute though. I used to have this toad that would come and visit me when we lived with my brother every night on the steps on the stoop. It was so cute, just sit there waiting for me and I'll have to shoo him away. Oh, he was so cute. I called him Mr. Toady and I eventually had to take pictures to prove it, and then Ralph and my brother saw him. Oh my gosh, he was so cute. We were BFFs. Okay,